Hello, today we're going to be warming up for iron yoga. So have some very light weights at the front of your mat and come to plank on your elbows. We're going to start by warming up the core and the back and getting in touch with the breath. We're going to stay here for 5 strong breaths. Pulling the lower abdomen in, not letting the hips sink. With some energy through the palms and the forearms, so you're not sitting into your elbows and your shoulders. Keep the neck long. And then press up to your right hand, followed by the left. Strong plank. Bring the right knee forward. Exhale. Inhale to change. Exhale forward. Inhale to change. Strong core to pull that knee forward. And I'm coming further forward to further engage my core. Careful not to tuck the pelvis under. Keep the spine long. 4 more. And now we're going to cross the knee under towards the opposite elbow. Six more times. Make sure you've got energy under your fingers, under your palms. And now we're taking the knee outside the same elbow. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come down onto the knees and sit back in child's pose. And exhale back up to the hands and knees, and we do the cat and cow stretch. Hands directly under the shoulders, knees under the hips. And we're going to press the back up towards the ceiling and stay for a big inhale. And then exhale, reverse that, let the back drop, lift the tailbone, chest, and head. Stay here for an inhale. And exhale to change. Fill the back with a big inhale. And exhale, reverse. Feel the front of the rib cage. Big inhale. And exhale. Moving with your own breath. Two more times. And come to neutral position. Tuck the toes under the feet and start to lift the hips, lengthening the spine, pressing the floor away into the first downward dog. You may want to have your legs a little wider for the first one. You may want to keep your knees very bent. And we can press out through the heels, starting to warm up. But keep lifting the tailbone. Don't be concerned with getting the heels all the way down to the ground. Shifting the hips side to side if you like. Couple more breaths. Dropping the torso down through the arms. On the next exhale, look forward and step the right foot, followed by the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward. And exhale, fold, bending the knees if you need to. And inhale with the flat back all the way up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, dive forward. Inhale, lengthen forward. Exhale, plant the palms, step or jump back and forward into chaturanga. Inhale, lift the chest, upward dog. Exhale, we come to plank and do an extra optional chaturanga before coming into downward dog for 5 more breaths. Using the fingers, using the palms. Keeping the arms straight, shoulders drop down away from the ears. On the next exhale, look forward and set the left foot followed by the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, plant the palm, step or jump back and forward into chaturanga. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward into upward dog. Exhale, plank, chaturanga, and downward dog. And inhale the right leg up towards the ceiling. And exhale, forward to chaturanga. Stay in chaturanga and then change legs. Lift the left leg and inhale, lift back up to downward dog. And then come forward, stay in chaturanga and lift the right leg. Inhale. That's 8. Change. 7. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Release the legs down to downward dog, lifting the hips. Look forward between the hands. Step or jump forward. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, plant the palm. Step or jump back and forward. Chaturanga. Inhale, lift. Exhale, plank. Chaturanga. Downward dog. Come back to plank, to chaturanga, and stay for 5 breaths. 1. 2. 5. Come all the way down. Bring the hands behind you, interlock the fingers. And lengthen the arms, lift the legs as well. Big inhale into the chest. Two more breaths. And release. Down, hands underneath the shoulders. Sit back into child's pose. Big inhale into the back. And exhale, hands and knees, tuck the toes under, hips up. Back to downward dog. Continuing to open the shoulders, dropping the chest down towards the floor. And on the next exhale, look forward, step or jump forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Sit the hips back. Lengthen the arms forward and up. Right hand takes the left wrist and to a small side bend. 5 breaths here, opening up the left side. Gentle pull on that wrist. And on the next exhale, come up. Inhale, lift the chest up. And exhale, sit back. Other hand grabs the wrist and side bend. Keeping the hips back. 1. And 5. Inhale, back bend. And exhale, dive all the way forward. Inhale, lift. And exhale, plant the palm, step or jump back and forward, chaturanga. Inhale, lift. Plank, chaturanga. Downward dog. 5 more breaths here to finish the warm-up. And 5. Look forward between the hands. Step or jump forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back, strong core up. And exhale, hands to the heart. And now you can move on to the next Iron Yoga video, or you can finish now and move on with your day.